Hi there, Teacher Sansao here, and today we have present continuous or present progressive. So we are going to see how and where we use it, and we are going to see the form of the present continuous. Very simple. The first usage of the present continuous is when you are talking to somebody right here, right now. So the action is happening right here, right now. For example, I am speaking to you right here, right now. I am teaching English right here, right now. So the action is happening now. This is the present continuous, the present progressive. The action is happening right here, right now. The second usage of the present continuous is when you are talking about a temporary situation. For example, I am reading a book. It doesn't mean that you're reading the book right now, but you are in the process of reading the book. It's a temporary situation because eventually you will finish reading it. Okay? Another example, I could say, I am working at McDonald's. Temporary job. I am working at McDonald's. Not at the moment, but the job is until I find something better than the McDonald's job, a more permanent job than the one I have now. So, as you can see there, the situation, it's not happening now, but it's happening in your life. It's a temporary situation. I could also say I am taking driving lessons. I am taking driving lessons. So the action is not happening now, but it's happening in your life. Right now, you are taking driving lessons to get your driver's license. Okay? And then the third use of the present continuous is for a future arrangement. What do I mean by future arrangement? It's when you and the other person agree to meet, to do something in a specific time. So once again, the action is not really happening now. For example, I am meeting my father tonight. I'm telling my friends that I'm meeting my father tonight. The action will happen in the near future. So the near future needs a time expression. You can use tonight, in 2 hours' time, in a couple of days, next week, and so on. So another example could be I am cooking tomorrow night. So there's arrangement between my wife and I that I am cooking tomorrow night. So it's a future arrangement, but the action not happening right now. So let's recap 3 situations where we use the present continuous. 1. Action happening now. 2. Temporary situation happening in your life. And 3. A situation happening in the near future, an arranged situation between 2 people or more in the near future. The action is not happening now. You are telling the other person about the arrangement. Okay? Now, let us see the form, the structure of the present continuous. I have an example here. She is teaching English. Remember, to make the present continuous, you need the personal pronoun, verb to be in the present, plus a verb plus ing. In this case, the verb is to teach. So, plus ing, teaching. She is teaching English. She is teaching English. This is the affirmative sentence, the positive sentence. To transform that affirmative sentence into a question, you only need to change the position of the verb to be and the personal pronoun. So the question would be, is she teaching English? And the answer could be yes, she is, or no, she isn't. And then the negative sentence, she is not teaching English. She is not teaching English. It could be in a very short form, she isn't teaching English. Okay? Very simple. But remember, some verbs are not possible in the present continuous tense. For example, stative verbs of thinking, of feeling. For example, love, fear, etc., etc. You cannot say, I am loving someone. It is wrong. Although some people do that, but it's not correct. We don't use stative verbs with the present continuous tense. Okay? For today is everything. I shall see you next time. Thank you.